So I'm gonna use the wood grain. I like this one because it's kind of patterned, but it's very subtle. So it's going to look good with our Border Maker system that we're going to use. So I'm going to first take our trimmer, and I want a very plain but bold piece of cardstock. So this is navy. I'm just going to cut it down to a 10 by 10. So I'll take 2 inches off of one side, 2 inches off the other. And now we have a 10 by 10 piece of paper. You can put your cutter aside. We don't need that anymore. We're going to get out our Border Maker system. So how to use this is we first open the bottom. This is our guide. If you've not used our Border Maker system, it's amazing. And the one I'm using today, believe it or not, is the zebra stripes. I know it sounds a little silly with a nautical paper and whatnot, but you're gonna love this. And I'm gonna do a trick. Here's the trick. We're going to put our paper in, but typically you would bring it all the way to the top and secure it to the side. We're actually going to lower our magnetic strip here. I'm gonna slide my paper down to this first notch. Put my guide back. Then I'm gonna take my punch and I'm gonna start on the second notch. So here's my first notch. I'm gonna start at the second notch and go down. And I'm going to stop there. Move this away. Turn your paper and you're gonna do the same thing. So we're going to get it down to that first notch. And we'll go down the sides here. Again, we're not going all the way down. We're not doing every spot. Slide it down to that first notch. You can see where this is going here. The key is you kind of make it even each time. I'm somewhat eyeballing it, which is okay. Just get as close as you can. Okay. Now we have the middle of our paper, and I just love the way that that looks. And get it centered. So I will go ahead and tape that down. If you haven't used a repositional tape runner, let me show you this. It's great. You can go right down the side. If you get it on anything below, it just simply rubs off. So I love this tape runner. I'm not gonna go all the way over, just hold it down to show you guys. And put it there. I'm going to take some of our matte packs now, place them around and kind of just find what I like. This may be a cruise page. This may just be some outdoor fun. I love that our pack is so versatile for that. I may take, I'm looking for one that has a half sheet for journaling. There we go. Oh, that one has fish and that looks good on there. That one's dark, it would blend in. I think I like what I found first. Yep, so I'm gonna take this, and I lied, I guess we need our trimmer again. I'll go down the middle. Get us a journaling box. Probably put that somewhere here. I might take another one to use vertically as a picture background. And a trick I learned recently is if you like one that has something like this on it, you can just cover that up with a picture and you'll still have your border along the edges of the color that you like. So I'm gonna look, I kind of like the way that one looks on there. So I might cut that down a little bit, or I might take a picture and use it full size right there. Either way, I think that looks pretty good. I'll grab my stickers. Let's see. Maybe this one is an outdoor type of thing. We've got a bald eagle going on, love him. I've already used my trees, but I have one here still. Might use that piece of driftwood, looks good. I'm just gonna stack them up here and see how they look. All right, that's cute. And there you go, you've got a completed page. Only took us a couple of minutes, and you have a new trick with your Border Maker system. Now this only works with ones that do not say chain on them. I use the zebra stripe for this one. If it says chain, it's going to punch out your paper and be separate. If it doesn't say chain, it'll stay connected to your paper. And again, the trick that we did with that was to bring our paper down to just this first line. You can use this line here, or you can go by the notch. Hope that helps. Hope that gives you a little idea to start playing with your Border Maker system a little bit more. As always, you can find us online on Facebook and on creativememories.com/user/Beth.